Instagram broadcast channels allow creators to share updates with their followers. Think of it as a public chat where only the creator can send messages, including photos, videos, polls, and voice notes. Followers can react to the content and vote in polls, but they cannot reply to it. So only creators can create a broadcast channel, and you can find channels to their profile links, stories, or DM invites. So open Instagram app, go to your DMs or inbox, tap on the pencil icon to create a new message, tap on create broadcast channel if you're a creator, and add a name and choose these options like audience, edit, visibility, and then tap on create broadcast channel in the top right corner. You can go through various settings and put it according to your preference and send your first message to invite your followers to join. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.